Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about commenting DAX code in Power BI. So commenting DAX code is very important because it helps users to interpret the code. It will become more useful and helpful to understand if the code is very complex and if the code contains multiple lines. So suppose we are writing a DAX query and the DAX query is 1,000 of lines and we are doing a lot of logic inside it. If we are not going to comment the code well for other developers, it would be very difficult to understand exactly what is happening in the DAX query. So it is always advisable whenever you are writing any piece of code, put a proper comment on it. Avoid putting commit at the end of the DAX query. It could be possible that a user can miss or omit it, and maybe formatting tools also omit it. So this is one of the takeaway, or we need to just take care whenever we are going to put any kind of a comment. We should not put at the end of the DAX query. May be possible whenever we are doing certain kind of a formatting with the help of a formatting tool. That formatting tool may be omit the comments which is written at the end of the query. So we should avoid putting any comment at the end of the query. So if you talk about the comment type, so one is single line comment, another is a multi-line comment. So this is the syntax to make the single line comment, and this is syntax to make the multi-line comment. I will show you in a practical exercise how we can put single line comment or multi-line comment. This is the data model which I am going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. See here what I am just doing, I am just writing a measure, and what this measure is doing, it is calculating the total quantity sold, right? And here we are just putting certain kind of a comments. So this is the single line comments. If you see here, the same thing we are just doing, we are just calculating the total sales of a store, and here with the help of this syntax we are putting multi-line comments. I'm not discussing more about the what the function of this measures is doing. Measures is of course here the overview I have given that it is just calculating the total sales for a particular store, but the more focus here is to how we are putting comments. So see, with the help of this syntax we can put multi-line comment. So let's do this exercise on Power BI. Let me create a measure. Name the measure as AP retail single line comment. And what we are just doing, we are just doing the sum x of AP retail store. What we are just doing, we are just AP PP retail quantity sold into we are just relating to one table from the product lookup. We are just saying what is the current cost. This measure we have created, right? But if you want to put the comment, so this is a single line comment, we can put return the sales of return the sales by Stu. So this is the one line of comment we can provide with the help of a this syntax. If you want to put another line of comment, so again we need to give this syntax, and let's use another one. Multiply total quantity sold to the current price. See, this is the way we can provide single line comments with the help of a this syntax, and second one with the help of a this syntax. Let me copy this measure and let me create another one. Here, let me put the multi-line comment. I am changing the name of the measure. Instead of single, I am putting multi-line. And what is the syntax of the multi-line comment? This is the syntax of multi-line comment. And in between this syntax, we can put any kind of a comment. So what I am just doing, I am just copying, I am just removing this single line comment. We can put single line comment also, but let me just show you both of them. We can put return the sales by store table to evaluate expression quantity sold times cost from related table. So we can see that with the help of this syntax, we can put multi-line comments, and with the help of this syntax, we can put single line comments. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.